Hi guys, I just want to record a quick video to introduce you to week 16. If you go to week 16 overview, I've updated the due dates and the assignments. This week we're drafting our paper, that's the sole focus. I've made the papers due on Saturday. Originally I had them due on Wednesday. If you want to turn it in on Wednesday, you're welcome to. But I gave you a couple more days, and then we'll have peer reviews due on Sunday. So that'll be a quick turnaround, but peer reviews should generally just take you maybe 30 minutes to an hour at the most. So I hope that works out for you. Okay, so Saturday, end of the day, paper 4, first draft due, peer reviews of 2 other student papers due on Sunday. So let's take a look at what that looks like in the week 16 module. Okay, so I've included some reminders here. This is where you upload your first draft. This is a link to the prompt. Definitely review the prompt carefully before you submit your draft to make sure you're meeting all of its requirements. Also, please review my feedback both on the discussion board, and also within the next couple of days I'll be leaving feedback on your body paragraphs. So in addition to the feedback I've given you over the last few weeks on your thesis statements, your scholarly articles, your outlines, and your body paragraphs, hopefully you should have a pretty clear sense of where to go with your assignment. Also review these specifications from the prompt. Make sure you're at least 5 pages, including the Works Cited page. You've got references to the text in all paragraphs of the paper, including the introduction and the conclusion. Make sure you're showing you've carefully read and understood the text, especially your scholarly article. You want to show that you're really thinking about the topic. You're not settling for easy answers or pretending conflicting evidence doesn't exist. So that's where our complexity comes from. We're also showing that we can paraphrase and quote skillfully, including introducing, integrating, and explaining quotations. And make sure you're proofreading. Even this is a first draft, we still want to present something that's professional. And then for peer review on Sunday, you're really looking at these bullet points, and if the paper is meeting those bullet points, what you like best about the paper, where you felt confused or where you have questions, and one change that would improve this paper the most. So hope this helps to give you a sense of what's due this week. It's pretty much all right here. And please reach out via email or office hours if you have questions.